About herbal detoxification. In order to complete a full body detoxification, many people think that there are too many steps in order to complete. However, this simply isn't true, and you will be shown that there can be a full body detoxification that takes within the herbal way. Indeed, there are so many ways in which a person is able to complete a body detox system, but oftentimes individuals seek out the quickest and most efficient way to do so. Along with combining essential herbs in your diet during this detoxification, it is also recommended to digest healthy, green vegetables, along with fruits during the whole process. The first thing that one must realize about an herbal detoxification is what it truly is. Like any other detoxification system, an herbal detoxification will help the body get rid of any toxins that are in the system. It will not only focus on cleaning the colon and liver, but it will also flush out the kidneys as well. There are a whole host of benefits from performing an herbal detoxification every month, but many people do combine the herbal detox system with other types of detoxification systems that they know. After one realizes what the herbal detoxification will do for them, then it is time to make a list of everything that you will digest during the detox period. But in order to know that, you will have to decide how long you want the detoxification process to last. Many people choose to go 2 to 3 days on the detoxification diet. However, it is only necessary to complete one full day, a 24-hour period, on the detoxification. This is mainly because your body will benefit from everything that you digest the first day, and the second day is not necessary. Performing an herbal detoxification for one day is also the quickest way to have the process over. There are several ways to perform an herbal detoxification plan too. If you know of a popular health food store, like GNC, they may be able to sell you detoxification systems that include all of the necessary ingredients for the day. On the other hand, one always has the option of buying the proper ingredients at a normal and local grocery store. Most of the ingredients that one will want to consume during an herbal detoxification are all sorts of herbs, like cayenne pepper, garlic, primrose oil, flaxseed, parsley, and even cinnamon. All of these ingredients can be combined in the other foods that you eat during a total detoxification. The other foods that need to combine these ingredients, though, include juices as well as pure and raw soups and vegetables. By combining the herbs with everything else that is digested, the herbal detoxification will have the greatest benefit. For example, vegetable soups and juices are the absolute best thing to eat during a detoxification, and combining herbs, such as garlic and cayenne pepper, will do your whole body justice and give you the most benefit. After you spend one 24-hour period digesting the foods described above, and drinking plenty of water, only then can you be finished with the herbal detoxification. This process is recommended to be completed at least twice per month. However, once a month is sufficient if that is all you can do. Many people also decide to take a weekend to complete the detoxification, so that they're not away from work. Nevertheless, an herbal detoxification will help the total body cleanse in the long run and should be used regularly.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.